Hi, this is Russ from Protec Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a 3-car garage in Palm Harbor. There's definitely few unique things going on with this garage. Just as far as the size and the openings, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit oversized. There's multiple openings. Now, there was new wallboard installed, I guess, and there was a gap between the wallboard and the floor here. So in addition to doing the billboards, what we had to do is we had to fill that void. And when we filled the void, we created a cove. So it fills that void, it creates a nice edge, it doesn't collect dirt, and it's just a nice way to finish in that void, especially when you're getting the baseboard finished. So as you can see, this is the second set of exterior steel doors that we're coming up on. Again, here's the baseboard with the cove. There's another video for this job where it shows all the steps that we took. I'll link it in the description below so you can actually see how that's all created. So this was a full diamond grinding. Took a little bit to grind it. We had to fix the edges, which is pretty typical. So here's a little bit more detail around the doors. A little bit more of the baseboards. You can see that cove in the video here, catches the light. It's a nice flat surface, looks really good. Again, if you watch the full video of this that shows the whole process, you'll see the grinding process. This color is probably our most popular color, which is California Gray. We'll show the edges, how we finish those in. I don't know what he puts in here, but he probably puts a golf cart. I don't know if that charger that you see on the wall over there is for a car or a golf cart. But plenty of storage in this garage. Nice garage. It's a nice place too. Very nice house on the water, Lake Tarpon. So that's that. Beautiful project. Thanks for watching.
Protec Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Protec serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.